him. Una gele yen we yes a video ni wonya. If you don't have the channel, una gele yen yes wonya video ni. You have right over that video. You can sue that person. So a video ni ya strike him, ikawa anase na because ya sworn. I will not look back. Wa no who are involved in video ni ya strike him. When I'm about way, it not go easy and the truth. It not go easy. Now see the other side of Papa with this man. You get where? When he Google, when he Google, because I was setting there, I see I didn't see you. On now month for Facebook. No give do my ya nena Naija watch na say message. My video na get Naija watch no come away. Naija watch guys you cut YouTube now. When Naija watch when matter you record. You record. So we are still going again. So you know get ready. Yeah, why we solar down? Yeah, send you a mail. Why we solar down? Why we solar down? You will cry out, man. You will cry out. You are going to cry out. But that with a smile, I tell you, you be small boy. Okay. Go to my YouTube. You know, where like YouTube we need. We bring a video me yada. Ya Naija watch. Let Naija watch no ma we mi kakabo. Ya boy rama we no ma we mi. You are a small boy. Owohan omunamu omendere. Kuwe kajik bako owohan wa. Ya Naija watch we no ma we. A video is all intact. You understand? All intact. This is time for battle. No be a money egba you do it meroe. No be a money egba you do it meroe. Managa mo okonu wakini. Wama na mie ma tamoro. Omo okonu wa prefer. I prefer we enjoy evil. What you people enjoy? You derive doing evil. You enjoy doing evil. You benefit from doing evil. Mohiadoki work boy until you people live a normal life the way other people they live. If you get one that I know, let them know the one that you get. When man worry why big fish, why AliExpress, or where a priest a twist in Ovie, a Laura, AliExpress when I see the phone work. Do you want me to give you I should bunk anchor format? I should bring a format for you. Those clothes where you they show, say you go back for Laura, say I say they fine, may I show you how much they sell for AliExpress? I be don't know say with the other things online. Those your clothes. You don't gear ma when you go to AliExpress. You go to a Wish, a China. Why I love video want to make him out. You want to do your thing cool level. No, you go see me, you go really know say a boy now, on one down. What to walk why you do where I tell you no me or seven. A boy now on one down. You understand? When we give when the voice record the way. Yeah, we know.
Boy, I give you, boy, we give you. One time I will, boy, I will. Yeah, I will walk away when YouTube or when you do not like you are. I want you away. I want you away.
Oh, why?
I want you away.
We be have walk every way too, man. You know, Ugly con or Wuga believing. We me have walk every way too, man. You know, oh God, Jesus. You know, Kakaboya away winner. Don't get Naija watch my winner. Kababa me no Kakabo my winner. Understand? A video you never make video you. We make a video you. A video you what break down. Yeah, we check yeah. La way YouTube now. Go and see for yourself. The video you think that it was you that bring my videos down. It was you that killed the channel. Go to the YouTube again and check, my brother. You know, be wise. I mean, why? Ya la YouTube now. Ya la YouTube now. Ya get the video. A video no dey go lo. A video now you robi ewe. Wa me wa. Ya gbe. If you know you just I mean that was now you don't pack the video, come on, give and strike. Come on. Also, come on. I have on YouTube or here last. Oh, we're lucky now. A lucky way, lucky no name. If you need what to walk one. Short while. I had to attend the YouTube they useful well. By the way, now I YouTube way. I'm important because we go away. My only one that I will monetize. Who am I YouTube? Don't you know you're stupid here? You know, for you to tell me to teach you the road, Naija washing in wearing all you wear, all your work that you are making money as well. Evil man, Naija wash evil no so era because when you Guyan, one of you Naija wash you, Naija wash you work we go. You people are still boy slave work in Naija wash. You know you do a zoo, then Naija wash not really love you way. Good life, just love you way. A YouTube where my son no Naija wash no one me amigo way ozo ibeka ya na YouTube that is we are equal single mother ya amigo be YouTubers why do I say ita we mo gbe YouTube we ita ogumoso gbe Fra Victor la re wa ga YouTube we igbe ne ije YouTube we ni ya yen are ogono talk show ije iya we so piwani iya do gbefo Fra Victor o me me do pa ogumoso gbe isa ga no my brother bobozi those are cook and boost stories. Fra Victor ogumoso agbo ogumoso gbo agbo Fra Victor ogumoso isa ga no ozuo no makon okay the refat even we are no di me o my time. Because me who is when I tell Ozuo, or you know, me at here bono, or me at here bono, when we are replying, or me no. Or me are over me, if you are over me, or me making again, Ozuo. Fra Victor, he done a yet to do it. Ya give you no what. If you not feel more quality, yo. 7 we mesh call. Then no cost what to for a more car to kill. Ya, audio about. What don't move about this man? Do you know what I'm about? Oh, I am more baby. Oh, no clear we nege. Holy bekus, baby. More holy bekus, baby. Oh, nege, what the all yam baby, and I tell you. But if ye, why 200 women gather together to swear? You shut up, why you want because why? Why say, where, oh, if you, oh, where we are. If you were all we are, is you not be me man new train station of Bibia? We no me, we no gono, ah, what be you are? Is you not be me, or man new train station of Bibia? We no go again, we no be a cribia guano. We no dear water ya. We no magam water. You are born with you are, or cannot be you on a boo any v. What way you wear your weather? Is Jimmy a mac where you wear men, a man who you were every man or one is Jimmy. Oh, where bear to motor, back bear to a bolo, and I wear any my tradition. A billion, you understand? Ah, what bear you are? Oh, where are you? Where? Go work at Bear to our war. Get 20 level when I know where away. Who met a web, who want a Hollandi? If ye, we ma boy and I have a bizubi. He and I have a bizubi. Now what bear you are? On Monohoa, who suck on here. While I don't have to do a when I did. Me at here, easy queen, a cat queen. I told me when I have a live video, I have checked one of your and when I talk bua. And then easy queen, give you now, where give it with you. I did not go sure, I did not go anywhere. Would be a well live video. Il do. Waga went. Il went talk show. It didn't know what I know there. But what the Facebook area, yeah, big boo, why, yeah. After when I'm more, why I give about this man? Why I give about this man? You have all out with a boom. And no Giladian. Let the saga continue. We'll go with saga. You know, go with saga and a good boy. We'll go with saga. Ima when I was a guy, you know where I was a guy. Now what bay you are a boom. omo no man ama ona ya ge I cannot be around boy beg be live video wo pa yan vie wigi wo pa yan mo hegi wo pa yan mo gigi wo pa yan mo gbologi wo pa yan mo wigi uwo oyo o agwo egun na mo wigi o na mo wigi o agwo egun yan gwan ama gba won ni ogbo ma yesi ke prayers make na wo lelewe na wo lelewe e tu ye gbe yesi de ma no ma gbe yesi so bi jana de ma no e wo so no gbe ma gbe yesi so bi jana wa bola wa gbe no wo na wo ti ko ko ka me ya we fe e ma no te wo yobo no wo no wo yobo ni yogo ya wa gbe yesi ga me ya we fe no wo ijo wo no mo wa no we e tu wo we ga robi be phone ame ya we fe ijo wo no mo wa no we ya wo fa na jo ame we ga robi be phone o pe no wa no wa dazo adazo no ma so bo wa e no yogo wa yin wa pe yo wa adaze no gewo kan opo adaze no gewo kan mu po adaze no dobo yin ko ya no gbe aga adaze no wa kan wa o agbon o hangi wo ya gbogbo ya lipia hun du yin ma to sinu wa do ni be bu e ganga be ro wa la be ya emi na wa yin ni wa re wa si lagbada wa si ku wa gbeligo akun go ye wa gbeligo bi ku obo ku wa mu po onyu we ya da wa ta se wa kin wa make enemy ne wala ko enemy gbe ya gan wa make enemy no ha da okya Nigeria ko re webu o gbogbo ya gan re go neno ya kun ade wa enemy ni ya enemy no ko na gbogbo ya gan webu o da fa off life be he akwa be ya do be je obo be South Africa shop be o South Africa ti be ga ge wo han no kan do ahien ne ona ko yo gba me won Nigeria ya wa ale sa chicken Nigeria idenuwa wa gwo wa bi yeso ami wa na jo gbe no kipa ogun yan adaze gbe no bi ogwe ni yero we gbe o wa ma bo ijuero ogwo he na gba ogi wi mani vera meji oni we gita wa adaze we can you imagine adaze ne me duplex adaze ne me two flat adaze ne me one room only toilet at my fia adaze no my fia toilet adaze no my be toilet me be ebuku o wa ni me ebuku me free of charge yanji o which me I pay one card I pay wo e money is free of charge imi go wa ama egun mana ma egun wa do la je la do ta wa daze we adaze sesi adazo ma sesi daze my foot daze ta parak no gyoyi adaze no do 3,000 euro adaze do 3,000 euro wa do la je la video wa dazo wa bo mu wa ide nu wa ma bu wa no sagana wa so na sagana continue ni adaze la dian so wo go agun egba titi wa na mo ni egba titi ona mo da yo ni adaze ya pe o jina ya ko pe kade no ika po ge o ga daze ni no adaze adam yo ya ika go wegun ni ke small no gi no o no gi ewu ni we continue no gi
yes like really life gbo wa ya go gbo we unu ta ma we
me na
wa ya wo he na we mo YouTube o we ni ti video lo pa ire wa awo ni me we awo ni wa we ijoki ba mi we na ri ko la si we no ti ire ni boys ada ni won ni mi ya la video wa pe ya la video wa we bi me no ogi lo no o ala ogi ate me bidi e bi se di wa jo popa o la go me we ma do mi wo ne la video we la re
awo
wa ya bo me
ya
ijo bo ku
ya
o wo bi we abi
yes
o wo bi we
e wa no
ihu o wo ni ihu
ya
ile mena ajebo adazo mesisi
yo
o wo ni ihu
adazo ma sesi
but we wa
yo
o magi no riri wa mi no ri so agbove iwa gbe phone ni tu nda o ya pe na be YouTube we la ko e won I want to ban we art àjẹwà àṣẹ́yìnṣù nínú gìnà àti nùgì ẹni tí mo rí bó àwa àgbẹ̀ni mẹ́lá jánu fún ni.
Enogi ene where YouTube when post ene.
Sadi ayi obo kan bele kuku very hello there we no someone tiru agbon sadi aya dan yo ise we na ya we o joke understand ko we ki yo wa iso wa o no se eyi pe eyi kale eyi wa na we ma ko do wa no ko ake we understand ko kan boy my brother I mean I wash we no kaka boy ma we na understand I mean I wash no kaka boy ma we na understand na o wa we wa ko aku no ko ni understand e ma ni nyai ya ko wa dangare na iko of we ni wa bi akenu yo ba ni do ama we no ya mo ko ro no ma kun wo o se wa na bi wa una we fun understand o kan me wo le wa ye bi kwale wa ye mo kwale bi ya o ni gbo e wo ni
Oh, you mo kwale be.
wa ni o le gbo mo je nothing am any mus ogun we ni ya ni wa ki o ya si le ki okoro wa mi o wo mi du we kai life je we ni o fun memo o bi o fun memo wo we la ya itile ayo tile ni understand wo we do ko nda no papa ya take no ye
Exactly.
you wo nya ni because it's still we I mean I just watch we iso one ya na so da wa ya we wa go na ko ka je bo of you o bi ari la no ri ni ko ni ko ba ri wa ya o de gbo ge o fe le permit ni iwa ya bi mortuary wo yi ra gun wa go mu ju awo no mo ni àwọn pera wa bi ju we you get your wa no get we when we go beg you have go our beg you are my boy you are my son my boy
He's a boy.
ọmọ ni bi no mi wa we buwa
He's a boy. Enogi is a boy.
ke wa we lo beg
Wa we lo beg. He must come back.
ya ka no nya di
Exactly.
won ka ya ya me wa we lo beg iranji mi lo no na iwe bi pa wa le ba fi ni abo ya we ba fi o o every week every night my head no fi every week ke mo test okay ki o my 2 days of it not one no go wa le lo beg agba we ni
I'm like,
agba we ni ole ogi boya gba we na brother nobody you pass you no ma gba we ude ma ni boya we ni ya boya ni ave de no ya ki ma go ni ave o kiki
how you doing?
e ni wa we
Come on, give me a
e
kiss.
ma ni bi ni
I can't kiss you there. I kiss you there.
e ti ni wa we my brother no we we o ma we ya gbe wi e no bi wi mo understand e wa ya brother o ti mi o me mo ya o wo ba ma me ni ma we ni na we clear na o ma no mo understand you know as well social media mo no we ni Paris ni bo wa ko I was in Montreal, and I moved here in Paris. I was on my head, you know, on we go deal when we have 200,000 or they know what the we run.
You're gonna.
I worry.
More than you guys. You know,
Get on shock you will lie with you after we found out. Mother, you know more. You see the public disgrace we give. My life one way. And one year, that's a public disgrace. You know, get not work as well. You worry. They don't directly come on. Ina down like video awona isen le no zo ai we video e gbole video e wo o ke se wo wa mi ke so ti san wa mi wa no wa na zo ai agbo ye gbo wa si kan le mo kuno bi aga bi ojo wa ozo
yes, so my people. One more than the innocent. E wa akpe okadokade dị n'ikpo ghe no ya azụ onu de ihe ami won no de bens ira ye gbe meta yi run dara la mo fi oto o la pata mai iwa so ke ne o ireze ma ire gbe pan Toi, yo, balé, but no man give Moses like promise now. Do so now. Give us a man, give it. I book as a brother, I give us a man, give it. Oh boy, life now, so. Yeah, we get. I tell you, Adazoma Sisi.
The suspended Omada, Roland Bebo, who is currently under investigation by the EFCC, was accused of assuming unauthorized position relating to the palace of the Oba Benin. Reading the statement on behalf of the Benin Traditional Council to journalists, the secretary, Frank Irabo, said the suspended Omo Bebo engaged in wrongful activities which are against the interests of the palace of the Oba Benin. He said His Royal Majesty Oba Ewaye II Oba Benin, having expressed dissatisfaction over the atrocities perpetrated by Roland,
there's no way in here block you well. Is it not better we block you since your head is red? This will be a period go forever.
In various communities which led to crisis and dispute to Benin Kingdom.
He has also behaved in treacherous ways to the throne that is akin to being a traitor. He has been able to do this.
Please, what's Ajebore? Ajebo should come and sit down. I want to talk to Ajebo because he's too daft and naive. Ajebo should come and sit down. I want to call Ajebo, make he come sit down, make he for hear word, make he come hear English, make I explain this English to him. You know, say it's an illiterate, it's a secondary school dropout. You understand? A tout, you know. So we're not what here. Yeah, explain. As a wolf in a sheep cotton.
He was of the opinion that his services to the throne were indispensable.
Okay.
He started behaving like what the Benin called, quote, Okoha. Who thought that the system cannot function
without him. Madam, Ajabo. Attention is needed.
The palace administrative system should put an end to all this. In view of this litany of abominable acts, Roland Omo Bebo is hereby banned from palace traditional and spiritual activities. For the avoidance of doubt, the ban is extended to his participation at all other palace traditions.
Now listen, Mr. Because when we come to school, we understand the boss. Understand? Roland is hereby banned. Even this ban can't even reach to the all Oba activities, traditional, go reach or Ogwedion, Shiraim, or anything concerning things tradition for Benin, as Benin is concerned. Roland is banned. You understand? Anything will relate to anything concerning Benin tradition. Roland Ehoe, the former Omada of our Oba, is bound. Where you be say you, Ajebo, take as Godfather. One of the take the proud. Is bound. Yeah, I flash back to this our Ogyoba monkey face. I don't say me, my own movement is different. Monkey face, I've said this 10 times with that number. See, Roland Eho is a fraud. Roland Eho is a killer. He brought out many things. What Roland Eho they do for palace. You understand? But because he's an enemy of the kingdom, we could not take it, we not take it serious. We not take what we talk serious. The same you, Ajebo, make this monkey face to turn to enemy of the kingdom. You, Ajebo, and the rest of your squad. And I turn monkey face to enemy of the kingdom. And I make monkey face provoke the true man to go give him the kingdom. You, Ajebo. When monkey face came out, monkey face was not insulting the palace. Monkey face was after you, Ajebo, and Enogi, and Iyase. You people frauding people's money. That was what monkey face was engaged. And that was the reason why you and Enogi and Iyase, you put on that guy to become the enemy of the kingdom today. The 3,000 euro where you thief, now monkey face the sack guy that time. Una go this way for monkey face for back. Ajebo. You just say be like monkey face, we don't get sense. We don't know how to use his brain. monkey face, he don't coffee use the brain well. Now make my face turn the enemy of the palace. If I talk my thing, I get my evidence, I go stand by it. You understand? Lord will take his own course. You dey feel me so? You dey hear me so? If you don't know me, you dey hear. Ajebo. I'm not like that man. He get limits of where person they talk rich for live video. He get area where person they touch for live video. He get some area where you go give respect to. And the only area where I'll give respect to, now be the king. The rest other people are like me. They are subjects, the way we are all subjects. They are opportune to be closer to the man, to royalty. It does not mean that they are the king. You feel me? If you don't go school, you get sense. The next person after king, that is the person that is banned now. That's what tell you. So the way they go still ban you, and they say they ban down. The penalty when you go get, now you go still get. So we are all equal in the sight of the God. Me pick my chairman up. Hello? What talk better? Agree to. Okay. Other speaker.
Ona agwabe imanuna mi palace imanuna palace ona aguya yakon udawe na
Yes.
Ona aguya kwa iyawe one da mezo ni ona yakamelo agba ogibi
Ajebo.
e ya kira si mata
Yes.
iya ri ya gbebo gbuya na ba ni emokifesi na so afinu bi wa lo kwa
Yes.
abe chief we ya ka so agugwa wo ka oni
Kakabona.
udawe ona
Yeah.
so ajebona pelo ke wo ri o ba ajebona hin iya abe mo bo gbere to me so yen iye get be chat play oh money later won
Pato. Ajebo we ba mo. Ajebo ogun yo ba okun. Ajebo we no what adazoma CC ewe the same you who are supporting Monica who drove man to the kingdom. The same you. We are the ba me yan zolo nzu we la Ajebo we me rokwa. Ti we go was again. Hello.
Hello, Baba with the snack.
What talk be?
Go where?
On the speaker.
Yeah, you might disturb you.
You live video. You live video. Ire Odolewo talk Odolewo one of universe. Eh, ire YouTube, ire the level. You might like YouTube. Later here like YouTube. When we later man, later we'll do our show, later we'll do our connecting time, our dating time. That will be later in the evening. Okay, man. You understand? Obion. Now, Ajekbako. We na supporting Monica. Monica no Yomba. Monica no feel no gedo. Ewe ikbelele. Ewe ikbega. De usuri. Ma agba wahia ke wale ya agba wahia kadokade. Ma wano. Itamu wabu maximum ya amwe gogo ne. Ya amwe ne ya so agoyo ne. Ya gbo agba wa mamuwe social media. Wa mi megbo a. Wa mi megbo a. Magi we bi no pale ya. Understand? It was when yeah, titi eyin ati ege no get adi court ulele adi. You understand? No get adi court ulele adi court. Ya mi eyin you awo. Ye mi ati your woman Esther talk show. Yes, Esther talk show. Na police station, the court are you direct. Understand you now? Even bill. Even bill. Vion to segene katamuwa MB betini no sebi MB betini no sebi Ajebo ofun ya di with you motamu we na live video ya lo we gbe social media unless you emi ka mo no le wonu ma wa we if you are we matter you are forget I don't forget your matter totally. I know we talk about it, but if you refuse to do it as you talk we no gbe color. Binu me ya gbe kola e do kan do ya gbo we ohun mi na as as ohun na gbe kola ilu hun na be gbo e o ga gbo ogbo ko ni won ta wa o kan we no ho wa ni won tu wa ni won yi laga enwe kan we hu igele we enwe kan we abu we no ni e ma so damu ara ifi mu gbo han sabi ma wu onyo won ni won jilo a ejile we mu yo ko ni oko ni mi a pion igba ba won ni ya biele kwa musa o salo kwa ọmọ wa de ko ma get o hege ekworo poto ekworo oye kworo o he ekworo no amu ba no ikebe ero ikebe ogboba telawe ikebe o kan ikebe no ti ha mi ona ya ha ye mu na ya tu ko to pio papa breast no mu kan mu yan papa breast papa ke fertilizer papa breast oye wo ma ina e papa ke do mo yibe oye mu do ye gbegbe aye mi fi mu we ogo kan mu do bene ho mu boga de boto agwa biju abagun iyo na kuge ono mu rede de ye na 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 e rede de ola we gbe owe na ono mu rede de ye na wa mi no ba ne bio emi no ba go mi o ga mistake with that pion or amanu o ga mistake with that pion or amanu but o ga correction hatred we have pion why is the period we stop the period you ask for emotional stop what that aye ma de ge sagara ma de ge yo imani ge sagara Mekbo mekbo le video ge ipo ge ori no gi ni ojú wo ti en delete ojú ori no gi
Your truth, you not go ever kill you, like your truth not go ever kill you.
amen
Any man, any woman who say he will kill you, will fire the person.
amen
And the person family generation will destroy.
amen god bless you where is the audio yes one you need you dun ding asokeneye ezerire o asokeneye ezerire o asokene baba ezerire o asokene babu ezerire o asokene waniye ezerire o tasoki akeriseze asezeneye akerisame so que eu não sei ver vídeo I want delete any video. That video has been deleted. It has been deleted. Supposed to restart the video. The video has been deleted. Video has been deleted. Enogi, oh God, yageli go coming. Wo ya gbe YouTube channel. Wo we le jam live video. Do ta we wo gbe. Wo do ya brag na ya go wo gbe. You understand? Ya ge wa when e mo kan ya wo le no ge e. Ogi ya brag ni o gbe. Opportunity only be na my me. After bragging never yes wo gbe na you dey run now, na you be this one, na you be this one. Okay, fine. Good. Ikwe yo. Imawe gumo. O brag le ran line about this man. Man talogbe. At the end, it may not a live video. It cannot shock no give where or he give me a life. And he brag in my fans again where they get la live video. You gbe the channel ne. You go go ne. You go go ne. You go go ne. The video ya bring ya down ne. You bring the video ya ne. Wari wani mo ya get channel ge. The video lo ba gide ba. the video by you good and fair. But at the end, about this man I mean you cannot know the na ko be nyiken e me nyiken me nya kan la te na nya kan ja and do sagele ma you stand ina me gbe wa ni ku lare e chan ni wo gbe na o the person na yi la tin do gbe do zanzan mo na stand agi to ge we agi e we re wo ni nu aya ye ku la wa nu ge ku amu nu aya ku la o wa na yi la dian na yi do agben gun na yi akpe voice record gun okay we go mo channel right now ya pese ikade your channel what they do zua e we zua e cotis ni we live ma ya ni nwa cotis ni we ye nene man really cotis me me no zo we only you one I mean whether you really do or not really on because you know fit dey that cotis because that cotis not for dirty boys not be for dirty boys like you understand see rianti we Enogi, you know me for dirty boys like you. Abi aye. No me for agbin we nu weje. Nu we weje.
Hello guys.
If you know him we okay, you dey brag. I just imagine I don't know because wow can work by wife hin. Two of them are the same thing. Now make can we fit dey cope with you. The same category wife, talk about wife. E ma mi oye la de o garçon ge gona ye la de what with this man on a posted on your way Victor where are your videos on YouTube yeah I don't bring am come you see am Oswo I don't bring the video come. May you see the video also. Imo egwe na nu ge. Oya go on. No ge go on. They need just speak on you. You cannot make a noise. No ge mutane etalogbe oyagun no ge gumagun
your cover finish more you be way
you might
let no say
what
you don't reach ya have muwe even ya muwe as no you expect today before your video go you move for YouTube you not gonna know marry area where then ya muwe ya just when even tama we wa are you know wa we
I don't get go check your email address in the way
there is a way
ya check email when you address the way
okay you know now it gets off that yes I know I have a soft heart
e no give wait alone address the rule
then when my soft heart will change to stone for your body nice change to soap. So let your followers be clapping for you. Let them be telling you you try. Yes, you try. Listen to me.
e we ya to onu na eku
If I'm coming for you again, it's going to be.
eku we ya to onu na eku we ya to onu na eku we ya to onu na eku mu we ya to onu
See that car, they your dark single mother. My people, your dark single mother, the car with my guy, see me a dark single mother. That time the parking house, and even the parking house that time, I know if you do I can't say me go give on that presenter. I can't give you. And I need to say, who is smart? I could do more YouTube or where my.
you will allow
oh yeah, YouTube. The YouTube be well, no more. YouTube be well, no more. 9 o'clock, I make it passing. He said delete. that thing be loud. But for me to do you that thing, yeah? It can be that you will not. Yeah.
Now see,
Yeah. I strong past you. I know be.
you hear though, I greet all of you. I want to share this video. I hate when people they make mad and they deceive the innocent people who don't know anything concerning YouTube. Now me go they expose all of their secrets. Yes, sir. It's just the way it is. See, this YouTube are not sent. This Facebook will now go they blast them. Now I'm gonna listen. This one will not get the brag, so I'm gonna listen. I will expose everything out. Enogi give me strike. Enogi don't enter my YouTube. All of them when they watch me, the way no get bill, and be as now they watch me so. When I enter YouTube, watch the video where I do there. And so you know get still enter, watch the video where I do there. You where they watch me, you can strike me. If you say I go upload your video, nobody will not feel strike. But if you know, unless if you don't know how they do it. Now, you know the brag. I want to expose now. I want to make Enogi get sense. Enogi, I want pity you, make you forget, learn sense. So that the person where they move, where Naija Watch where they move, where they follow. If to say Naija Watch get level, at least if you don't keep my PhD now, you're supposed to know as I don't beat and reach for this social media. Naija Watch for don't keep my PhD. You understand? So now through you, and you can see, as I say, because I know see Naija Watch they watch me 24 hours. They monitor my YouTube 24 hours. You understand? Now what happened yesterday? Naija Watch now do not be no good. This is why they talk. He doesn't know he left from the life where you make math. So you he and the Vienna to come when the real person don't do it, then I for them to come out, come wear the gown, see, come wear the glory, see that they don't know what, and they don't want. When they don't want, now when they don't want. Okay, now see what will happen. Naija Watch enter on YouTube, go select the video, the live video where I for do when I play a Enogi video. When they play a Enogi video, like that video where that video where they talk to his daughter, where what do they call this guy? And then he cute, DJ Cute, you understand? So when I place the video on my screen, they play on. Enogi reports the video. He don't kill the video. He reports the video. All the video where I put in your post to this gongona. He report on. You understand? He report 5 videos. 5 videos give you 1 strike. Now listen, YouTube get 3 strike. Once they strike you 3 times, your YouTube is gone. Your YouTube is down totally. So 5 videos. You know, he reported 5 videos that night. As he reported 5 videos, they dropped the 5 video. Then he used Enogi is priceless as gmail.com to report the video. Through official Enogi TV as YouTube. With use until report 5 videos. Why? Naija Watch. He used go Naija 12 at gmail.com. Go Naija. Now be the email where they used to report 4 videos. What are those 4 videos? But let's know the 4 videos. 1, the video where Dada Massis do when he say when Oguname, late Oguname see their life, when they want go do protest for Stuttgart, when I post the video, me for go viral. He go report that video so that he get the video. Which is this Enogi. So Enogi, you go Naija Watch. What is they call it? The Damas is all of us will call court. You go report that video. Say now you get the video. Enogi claim the video. Say now you get the video. Report them. My beautiful mother, and that one suit me pass. My beautiful mother, where they always they announce on my YouTube. All of them know the only woman where they sell gold for Holland. The only woman where get original gold for Holland. Mama Gold Empire. The video which she take congratulate our majesty, our king, when our king delivered 4 babies. When I post the video from my YouTube, they go viral. You go report that video, go claim and say na young. The video where Cocolette Lonti will say they must say that video where there was a place so don't be more Oya ni moi, dogbe morwe o, da. Useni mose o, dogbe morwe o. When Cocolette Lonti shoot the video, just a short video, that I never shot the full video. It was not a full video, it was just 57 minutes video. Cocolette Lonti by himself forward the video to me. Say, bros, I beg, help me put on for your YouTube. Make the thing go viral, I beg, promote me. I post the video. You know, you go strike the video. See, now you get the video. That's 3. The 4th one, the video where I post, where I play for you. That video we say, how many you don't help? How many you they carry along? Oh, share you one break record, brother. Go first your village. Share you one break record, brother. Go first your village. Now which one you dey booga, you dey carry shoulder up. You go report the video, so now you get the video. And the finish with that Agbo guy. Go report the video, so now you get the video. I bet that guy, who get that guy number? I'm gonna give me that guy number. That yellow man. I'm gonna test that guy number for me. You know, you go report that video, say now you get that video. What that guy do? Now, I can't call all these people, apart from that guy with Nigeria. I never get no contact. The rest of the city will be there selling Nogi. Anywhere the matter will go, they go. That's no problem. I have to sue a Nogi. On the understand me, so we do this legally. I saw him. I wrote to YouTube. This video, I have the right over this video by the original creator. We get the content. They give me the right to use this video on my YouTube channel. And as I do one, because I know that Naija Wash, na bad person, na evil man. So for them not to enter the YouTube again, I have to put all my YouTube video for private. Only me when I go to see him. No one other person go to see him. See the video with inside. Common sense is not common. So when they try to enter the YouTube, you don't see any video again. You know, sit down when you get sense. You talk to intelligent men. You deal with intelligent men. As you know, run enter the YouTube again. You don't see any video again. And John come up for live video say, the strike, when strike, you don't kill the YouTube. Come they celebrate the bus champagne. You get sit down. Or down here. I not get anything where they had. What's I do for 6 hours to take public? That's me for you. And that's the reason why God they protect me in all the evil plans one of the plan against me. Because now I want to tell now the truth. Now they call evil person. You understand? So now, add those videos that belongs to you. You go choose the court who will meet. We will for tell court say, now you get those videos. Madam Good video, now you get them. You can't take court, say now you get Madam Good video. You understand? You can't take court, say now you get that Cocolette Lonti video. When you do, whether now you be manager or now you be director, we shoot this video. The video where the boy shoot. You can't take court, say now you get them. You can't take court, say now you get that Masses video. The video where they do a VAT for this anti-faith matter. You can't take court, you take that video. You understand? You know what? Obama years old, Elvis said digging, he go put all of them about trouble for this social media. Now where they work for Elvis must put in about trouble. If you never put in for big trouble, they go put one cup for their hand. Una not go get sense. If Elvis never put in for problem, where they go put one cup for their hand, they go sentence on until that time, una go tell wise. Una go tell no. I tell you, you get the person where Elvis go deal with, where go jam. Una go know what it be like law. You understand? The same way you do to Edo Tafiami Bo. Edo Tafiami Bo will go see the come. Elvis know what they talk. Many people go see go jail for this live video presenter. Time they come when they go jail. Because now name Elvis the keep up channel. If you name and they pay the movie name, now Elvis the key Edo Tafiami Bo channel. And they law and they court. No, this is not a joke. No, this is not smart. When they do this, when they let Naija Wash, they brainwash now, they fraud now, they use now money, they enrich now, they see they put now for problem the more. Imagine a man railway boo Wait to stay on your own one more day, boy. No one live a good life. Like being honest to people. Tell the people the truth. If you are a motivational speaker, motivate people with truth, with sincerity. After you don't commit many havoc, you will come on here to come and paint yourself good to people. And you expect me that they clap for you. When person they tell you, say, God, don't be so big. You will be know for us. Why they fuck up? Why they do all this kind of thing? When I want to bring the person down, I want to kill the person. I lie. I want to start telling you why I take my water. Telling you your mistakes does not mean I'm bringing you down. But I'm telling you your fact. But you want to take it and bring you down, and I will bring you down. You understand? It cannot go wrong. Oh, we are not your way. We are going. We are not more. We are not be anyway. We are not more. We are not more. Why do you come out? We are not more. We are not going. Oh, you are there. We are. I told you. We are. You know what? I'm not talking. You are. I will come and tell but you. You get in your house. Who got money? You know put it. You know you go to your house. That's what your wife said. Which everybody knows. The same you will still come out, you still get the courage to come and they speak to people, they address people, they motivate people. What do you get to motivate? What do you get upstairs to motivate? On how women go to the pregnant women without paying their bride price? See, no, they call my wife. You get wife, a woman you did not pay your bride price. Why is this thing common with women, Benin men? Because you pregnant woman means that the woman is your wife. It's not your baby woman, if not your girlfriend. Do the right thing. So that you'll be bold, you have right over the woman. So yes, now my wife is this. If you carry high phone, if you carry high phone about 1,000 euro, 2,000 euros, you cannot pay a bride price of 25 naira. It's not because of that. You carry phone. Now the evil was must not be the women. Tomorrow they will say that they saw women. You be woman. Your husband will buy you a high phone of 2,000 euros. You never think go drop 25 naira for your head. It's a shame to you. High for when you say if you want to trade just 4 for grand beam, trade match and pass. That's the end. You go to brag or you say you get phone. They use that phone. Your husband is scary. If your husband is scary, and if your husband truly loves you, let him go and pay your bride price. Let him do the right thing. Let him do the right thing. Instead, and for you to come live video, call they make noise all the time. After you don't drink, small start, finish, you just enter live video. They talk like anyhow. When you see money not there, you broke, you will call those your guys for France, where they give you information about the guests with the Paris, maybe they disgrace them on social media. They bring their picture money, they call it 100 euro, till they pay themselves. You think they don't want a life? Now when you want gather, they build for flats. Then when you want gather, come take get house, come take get hotel where your mates get. When somebody they tell me the truth, now they tell that person that person now be the evil person. Or while I social media now want to ask a gag boy, while I social media now want to terrorize boy. I'm not terrorizing people. If you call it terrorist, I agree. You know the reason why you'll be terrorist to them? Because I came out to speak, to tell them the facts, to tell them they made mistake, to open my secret when people don't know, to open the place where we say that they deceive our people. Our people. And we are to the when we are deceiving. Don't be everybody with a big happiness, really get happiness. And they test you. I see one happiness, you know, they won't commit suicide. Because happiness, not there, no joy. Just this is not because when they see for live video, they do gap for live video. After live video, what is the end? After you don't do the live video finish, they go to think they go to flashback of what you talk on live video. After you don't do your live video, they go to reason again, say, talk this thing, and they do this thing, God. You don't think. Even you will tell live video, tell for the Yahweh need quietly, in a quiet mode. Husband, now my wife. Oh, you know, can you imagine? A binima, yes, adazon, yes. Oh, no, why go a communal marriage, no, my divorce. Adazon, yes, you. Adazon, yes, una o comune, when I have tradition. Oh, but now on a marriage, Vano, can you imagine? Oh, what? On our marriage, Vano, on our marriage, Va, no, but on our marriage, Va, no, beaver, on our walk by way. He break a record, give Vivian. Or break a record, you will not what when again. We are getting banagly on a marrow beaver. There's never a time ni biaga ya we biaga. There is never a time ni biaga ya we biaga. Udere what a platform me ona agbo na kita. Wo odo full leg be la platform me. Odo gie we the kind of person he is looking. Ukman doesn't know how you odo care for it. If you remember talk show na do care for. Ona vi kuma go big bare wa. All you wa ba gbo. Do ga gbo de ne. Onda for ya o ka odo ya gbo be kita. Who you for not there many beka ya ku enye ne mo bi ability ya gba beka gejo ya o iri o wikian ajepako o pe no ge wo isa bi wo lari wa ge wo wa telu wa gabu ga telu o look at yourself today you ba we ga ye lode o ma le o ma to ni pedigree Raji, no get sense at all, common sense, no person they talk, inside that person no sense, go pick sense from inside. Make you quickly straight your step. You tighten your step sharp. You tighten your step sharp. You cannot carry phone. We pay for now. We want to know okay. Sorry, agree. You know, offend you, sorry. You want to open the phone gap, you want the phone buga. You want the phone you be senior man. You want the phone you be senior man. What a page on one, page on one. A page you must have building it, while I'm a page. Then when the guy speak, what one of them wouldn't have a page you must have building it, you people collect the page. You change the name, change everything about the page, remove all the guy's videos. Do you know what it takes for somebody to build page? You know how many categories you get to build your page? You get 3 good standard category. You know how many thousands to build that page? Thousands of engagement, thousands of videos engagement before you go build that page. To build that page to monetization stage. Talk of waiting hard past to monetize my page. Person don't build that, don't reach to monetize. The time when the person never build the page, you don't collect the page for your hand. When you don't build down to monetization standard, you collect the page for your hand. Then when the person speak, now say me because now big squad, because now big cancers, because because your eru wale FVC no be etiki. One way I been on here. Then I think say I go cover my eye look now for all this kind of oppression. One of the oppressed people because people they tell on the truth. My guy, go check yourself. You see all those things where they talk of have you no get a secretary? Me man send the way. I can't work any I go yasakwe. Where do you go? Don't do you? I don't bow and I bow. You understand? You watch a video make a boy. I watch it. Why need evidence send the way? Also, buwe no bobole le bonika. Wa bobole le bonika. On no ro yeru we. Wa bobole le. You ya wiji. Unda onu ya wiji. Uyo bokwa. Onu ya wi yourself and then you bonu. And subscribe to you. And pay you no way. And you go no fana jo. Ugi mi la lobo. Na igbege bonika. Bonika no ga. Bonika ma bi for mo to mi na tia mama. GPC ya gba Miami. You know everything Miami GPC here for our own pockets. All GPC gang, they have you take a stupid. A banya ya ime mwana. You can banya don't hear wetin man mu ya here. Or no really dey banya we dey do right yeko. Or we dey yeko no we dey do blast in last. Yes. All GPC gang with the food there. If you want to come and go dance near their tune. When you dance to their tune, they go to say you better person because you have problem here because they don't get strength. Because you tell water. Once you dance near their tune, big you get to work a big, you are low, and you are going to be one. Again, when you are getting in the world, how they are. The secret news you are blasting, again, yes, one more page. So, my guy, you know how Ajebo, they don't know you, they don't know us, even you, Ajebo, they don't love you. Monica self don't love you. GPC gang, they don't love you. Oh, no, one year, at Yawe, Iranogi, Isarano, Yakadis Gongo away. I worry. If you Monica ya gbegbe we sigmo, ya do pe enu. If you ya ka go jebo ya do pe enu. O igbo agbo ikiri wu. Nu we ya gbegbe Monica, ya do pe enu. Ya ka we iti ebo no ku, iri ogo no ku. Even me eti ebonuku, iri yogonuku, ya yedo be video ni one. You understand me now? We can't go word. Eti ebonuku, iri yogonuku, eti ebonuku. Ah, Kure Joshua. What about this man? You said you must say, don't be more. Meti ebonuku, iri yogonuku. Ajebo, ogwe maru emi. Ajepako. Ajebo down here. Ajebo weti ebonuku, iri yogonuku. Eti ebonuku, iri yogonuku. Iye mebe. It's true.
Netherlands. Oxford University Netherlands.
Akure. Oh, you mu terrorist in Netherlands. You wanna beg Monica? Monica, no, you're president.
But today I will let you all know the meaning of Aramia welfare, my brother. Aramia welfare, my brother.
Aramia welfare, my brother. Oh, my brother. Brother. Aramia welfare, my brother. Aramia welfare, my brother. The
people still don't understand that. All right, I know I'm the one that said you should call, bro, but please, exercise patience. Let me just look for a video. Then I will pick your call, please. I will pick your call. I will pick your call, please.
my brother.
There is a video I'm searching. It's going to help me for this my topic. Okay, please have patience. I will pick it. I will pick your call now.
Please have patience. I don't know. Here with me,
everybody, please.
I walk back you.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully